Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 16 128 gigabytes, and you can see the battery capacity is 92% and cycle count is 309 times. And LL means this is the US version. Also, this is unlocked one, and you can see this beautiful machine, and you can see the screen, no problem. The screen, no problem. You can see the charging ports and also have other different capacity. This is the original one. Also, this is only can use eSIM. SIM card cannot use. And let me show you the okay the battery. You can see the battery capacity 92 and the cell count 300 times 309 times. And also the general the cell phone, you can see the model number iPhone 16 LL and 128. You can see no scratch, no scratch, no scratches. This machine, the button looks like new. Okay, you can see no scratch here, only here a little scratch. You can see a little scratch here. And let me show you the other side. Okay, the beautiful button. And very beautiful, the machine. If you want to buy, you can contact me. And also this one also iPhone 16 256 gigabytes, and this is 103% because when this is original one. When this machine produced from the factory is 101 and 102 at 103 the battery the the battery capacity like this, not 100 and not 99. Okay, maybe 99, maybe not 99, maybe 100, maybe 100 to 103, 102 like this. Okay, no problem. This is original. Don't worry. LL, also a US version. And also, I told you before, in this market, you have this sticker. You can have warranty 1 month in this market. 1 month. Okay. Some store 1 week warranty. 1 week. Okay. Okay. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Contact me. Also, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information with you. Okay.